Good day, everybody. How are you all? This is Dr. Nandi. Today we are going to talk about domain of a function. So here I go. The function hx is given. H of x is given as h of x is equal to x plus 2 divided by x plus 6. Part A, find find the value of the function h at x equal to 0, at x equal to 2, x equal to minus 2, and x equal to minus 6. So let's do that part first. So A, first is h of 0 is equal to h of 0 equal to 0 plus 2 divided by 0 plus 6 is 2 over 6 or 1 over 3, because 2 goes into 2 one times and 2 goes into 6 three times. Then they said h of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 6 or 4 over 8. Okay, so 4 goes into itself one time and 4 goes into 8 two times. Okay, so it's half. Then they said h of minus 2, which is minus 2 plus 2 divided by minus 2 plus 6. 2 minus 2 is 0, and 6 minus 2 is 4. 0 divided by 4 is 0. Anything 0 divided by any number is 0. And then they said, find h of minus 6. So h of minus 6 is minus 6 plus 2 divided by minus 6 plus 6. So it's 2 minus 6. From 6 we subtract 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then you return the negative sign of the larger number, which is 6 with a negative sign. So the answer is minus 4 in the numerator, and 6 minus 6 is 0. Now anything divided by 0, any fraction divided by 0 is undefined. So that's your answer for h, value of the function h when x is minus 6. Do not quit right away, because I'm going to give you a tip at the end. And please subscribe to my channel, because I have solved all kinds of math problems just for you. Now let's focus on part B. So I'll create some space. Find the domain in the set builder notation. So yeah. So part B, the domain is obtained. The domain is obtained by solving x plus 6, the denominator equal to 0. Subtract 6 on both sides, so x is minus 6. Notice when x is minus 6, the denominator is 0, as we have done before. So in that case, the function is undefined. So write the domain. So the function is not defined at x equal to minus 6, as we have shown in part 6. So in the set notation, so the domain of the function in set notation. Oops. Function in the set notation or set builder notation. Let's write it the proper way. In the function in the set builder notation. in, repeat this, in the set builder notation. Is x such that x is a real number but x cannot be equal to -6. Okay, so that's part B. Now let's the domain in interval notation. So the domain in the interval notation is, so you start from -infinity on the extreme left and you go up to -6. Remember the function is not defined at x equal to -6. And so you stop at -6 and then you go to the right of -6. So that is union, which means or. This is union, okay? -6 to +infinity. So this is on the left, this is on the right, okay? So I stop here today. So the hint I wanted to give you is that you define the domain of a function by setting the denominator expression equal to 0 and solve for x, okay? Remember, the function is not defined at that value of x because the denominator is 0. So the domain can take any value up to that particular value where the denominator is becomes 0, okay? So I'll stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And you and your friends, if you like this video, also share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I've solved all kinds of math problems in algebra just for you. So please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to watch me tomorrow when I'll come back with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.